I will be unboxing the LOL Surprise HairVibes, and they're the brand newest LOLs. I'm super excited to see which one I get. So they come with 15 surprises. They have real, actual hair, and you can mix and match. Ooh, red. Look at the hair. Yes, we got rhymes! I knew it! Okay, this is what rhymes looks like. This is Rhymes. She is so cute. She's a color changer. But this is not an ultra rare one because it is not a golden ball. Oh, I just saw the hairstyle. Okay, but I didn't really see it. Okay. I hope it's the one. This one, open, 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 sesame. Look at that outfit! Woo, 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 girl. Woo. Okay. The cutest sunglasses heart. Oh my gosh. This is the one I really want though. This is the one I really want to finish off the collection. So I think I got her. I'm just going to keep on opening surprises. It might not be her. It might be another one. As it's probably the boy. We got the blue comb. A blue comb. She has a cute outfit. I want to see what her hairpiece is. Whoa! That's so cute. Oh, the baby bottle. And is that all? Nope, there's one more. Wait, there's actually a couple more. Look at that! It's so cute, the little cap. Okay, are all of them empty? Squish, squish. Oh, is this one? Nope. We got this one still. There's so many surprises. She got a fanny pack! This is so cute. I love this one. Time for the doll. I hope I get the one I want. I'm scared. Wait, okay. Yeah, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. This is the one I wanted! This is the one I needed to finish off the collection. We got Jelly Jam. Right there. Jelly Jam, we got her.